Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads nation in holding 5th International Yoga Day celebration from Ranchi in Jharkhand. Manipur joins rest of the world in holding 5th International Yoga Day 2019 celebration on Yoga for Heart theme. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren declares clearance of overdraft crisis, says state account is at zero balance since this morning. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren inspects works under Project Rejuvenation and Conservation of Nambold River at Imphal in Manipur. Korai MLA L. Susindro reiterates PDS items under National Food Security Act were misappropriated, demands relevant authority to conduct sport inquiry. And Minister Karamchand says no need for blame games. Inquiry committee will submit report on alleged misappropriation of PDS items under NFSA in 15 days. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Prime Minister Narendra Modi led the nation in celebrating 5th International Yoga Day from Ranchi in Jharkhand. The main function was held at the Parvat Dara ground in Ranchi this morning. Speaking on the occasion, Prime Minister stressed the need to integrate yoga with health schemes. Modi said that in the last 5 years, the government has integrated yoga with health and wellness to make it a pillar of preventive health care. He also said that yoga is discipline and dedication and it has to be obeyed throughout life. The Prime Minister stressed on the need to take modern yoga to the rural and tribal land. He said that yoga can make the poor come out of diseases and poverty. Manipur joined the rest of the world in celebrating the 5th International Day of Yoga 2019 today. Directorate of Ayush, Manipur and State Ayush Society organized a state-level celebration at Kumantlampak Indoor Stadium. Speaking in the event, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren urged everyone to maintain good health of mind and body to bring peace and progress in the state. Over 1,000 individuals attended the observance held on this year's theme, Yoga for Heart. Biren mentioned that the United Nations recognized yoga and declared June 21st every year as International Day of Yoga in 2015 because of the efforts of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He urged everyone to appreciate the Prime Minister for his efforts. Ministers, top civil and police officers attended the event.
We need mind towards the human body. University mind our minds
Responding to media queries on the sidelines of International Day of the Yoga observance, Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren declared that there is no more overdraft crisis in the state. He said that the state account is at zero balance since this morning. He maintained that the state is awaiting official notification from the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) with regards to lifting of its earlier ban imposed on the state. Biren also assured that a state cabinet meeting will be convened in near future to initiate necessary actions with regards to various recruitment processes of the state government, which were on hold due to the overdraft situation.
RBI na koi da noi overdraft later have a formal letter madi lakini, but in figure RBI na thadok pota Facebook ka thaga sakramni overdraft tabadu overdraft to zero balance oire na dumade ID laidibab situation se the kamaina satpi ke dobu have ko madugi kitang section tharon ona koi cabinet tang phamaga review tor kanda tangai phadna recruitment horubasing do haidok sira haido lotion jira kamai tawsige do amala lakhan RBI na khoida
Governor Dr. Nazma Heftullah and employees of Governor's Secretariat also observed the 5th International Yoga Day. The day was observed on the theme Yoga for Harmony and Peace at the Darbar Hall of Ras Bhavan in Imphal today. Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Manipur State and Imphal West District Committee Samiti also observed International Day of Yoga 2019 at Lainingtho Kamlangba Community Hall in Uripok, Polem Laikai. Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar was present in the event.
Somebody thinks that see the wisdom echoes here. They not going to talk about many other toilet. I think it is a wrong impression. As a way, I don't believe
Krida Varti Manipur branch also organized the 5th International Yoga Day celebration at Lamboi Konangkong Trade Center today. Speaking in the event, Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit asserted that yoga can guide youths in the right direction. He stated that practice of yoga can steer youths away from mobile phone addiction and drug abuse.
Yoga is a very important theme. We yoga is exercise, therapy. Therapy is mind, body, therapy.
Nehru Yuva Kendra, Imphal West and Paravidya Yog Sanstha, Manipur unit of the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India also jointly held 5th International Day of the Yoga 2019 observance. The event was held on the theme Climate Action at the Community Hall of Singzamay Chingamaka. District Administration Imphal East and District Health Society Imphal East also jointly organized International Yoga Day observance at Panchayat Bhavan to Imphal East DC Complex. Officials and staffs of the relevant offices attended the event held on the theme Climate Action. The day was also celebrated at various parts of the Imphal East district. Bishnupur district also observed 5th International Yoga Day today. Observances were held at Oinam Girl High School, Royal Academy of Law College, Oinam SB Complex of Bishnupur District Police and Nambol BJP Mandal Office. Many students, teachers, members of BJP Nambol Mandal and Bishnupur District Police personnel participated in the event. Indo-Myanmar border town Moreh also celebrated International Yoga Day 2019 today. 43 Assam Rifles, Moreh Battalion and Land Port Authority of India organized the event at Integrated Checkpost Moreh. Staffs of the Immigration Customs, staffs of the ICP and personnel of 43 Assam Rifles took part in observance and performed various yoga asanas. Consulate General of India at Mandalay, Myanmar, Nandan Singh Baisora also organized a yoga session at Mandalay Palace of Myanmar. Many citizens of Mandalay, staff of the Consulate Office and Nepalese of Myanmar took part in the session. Consulate General Nandan Singh Baisora stressed on the health benefits of yoga and narrated the history of the yoga to the participants on the occasion. International Yoga Day was also observed across Thoubal district today. Thoubal police observed the day on the themed Yoga with Gurus at the office of SP Thoubal. The day was also observed at 8 health and wellness centers of the district under District Health Society Thoubal. BJP Lilong Mandal also observed the day at Nungai Misbah English School. BJP Haingang Mandal also organized International Yoga Day celebration on the theme Yoga with Gurus. Chief Minister Nongthamban Biren's wife Hiainu, President of BJP Haingang Mandal, President of Mahila Morcha and Adyaksha of the Imphal East District attended the program. Yoga Training and Research Center Manipur also joined the world in observing 5th International Yoga Day. People who attended the program performed various types of yoga asana at the indoor stadium of Sai NERC Takelpat. Head of DREAMS Secretary Department, Professor Dr. R.K. Lenin, Vice Chairman of Salai Holdings, Elangbam Brasendo, President of the Center, Dr. Y. Bajau, and retired Joint Director of TKADA, Asem Ibetombit, attended the program. Indian Oil Corporation and Bharat Vikas Parishad jointly organized International Yoga Day observance at Chingmairong Patanjali Yoga Center in Imphal East District. The IPR Director H. Balkrishna, President of Chingmairong Patanjali Yoga Center T.H. Devand, and President of Bharat Vikas Parishad Dr. S. Priyosakhi attended the event. 113 Battalion BSF also held the 5th International Yoga Day celebration at the battalion's headquarters located at Loktak. School students and all 7 CI posts of all districts of Manipur attended the event held under the supervision of Commandant Hidam Subo. CRPF Group Center Langjing also joined world in observing International Day of Yoga. DIZI Loken Singh of Langjing CRPF Group Center led officials and personnel of the center in performing various yoga asanas at the center's parade ground. St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Sangay Pro also observed International Yoga Day. Additional Deputy Commissioner of the Imphal West, Jogendro Ningthozam, SDPO Bisnupur Lakshmi Timbaizam, and students of the school performed yoga asanas on the occasion. 5th International Yoga Day was also celebrated at Sagolban Popular Upper Primary School of Sagolban, Moirang Leirak, and at Modern Primary School in Tera Lukram Leirak. Bharat Swabhiman and Patanjali Yoga Samiti, Imphal East, Yuva Bharat, Manipur, and PYS Loksangkhong also observed the day at Loksangkhong Community Hall in Imphal East. Trained Nurses Association of India TNI Manipur State Branch also observed 5th International Yoga Day at the conference hall of the Medical Directorate's College of Nursing in Lamphel. Speaking in the event, President of TNI Manipur State Branch and Tangbi stressed on the health benefits of practicing yoga. Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS also held 5th International Yoga Day celebration at the Jubilee Hall of RIMS. The event was held on the theme Climate Action and Yoga for Heart under the supervision of RIMS Director Professor A. Santa. Health and Wellness Center, Langmeidong under Primary Health Center PHC, Yangklamt also observed the 5th International Day of Yoga. Pradhan of Langmeidong Gram Panchayat and many people attended the observance held on the theme Climate Action. International Yoga Day was also observed at Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi NSK Multipurpose Hall in Imphal East District, organized by Mahila Patanjali Yoga Samiti Manipur in collaboration with NSK Patanjali Yoga Center Wangkai Kaitel Asangbi. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar assured that government will start looking out for ways to curb the declining rate of book readers and resulting inconveniences faced by writers. He was speaking in the 26th Foundation Day celebration of Rinda publication at Manipur Press Club today. Minister Jayantakumar stressed on the crucial roles played by writers in enlightening the society. He also lamented that with the advent of the internet age, there is a mass decline in the rate of reading books. He added that many great books remain worthless in libraries. Kanglagi Mairi, written by Elangbam Sundar, Dharma Amasung Sumang Lila Singh Yengluba, written by Rajan Kumant, and Parak Taunu Tomba, written by Dr. K. Sukent, and a journal entitled Demused were released during the event.
Revolution kan hari itu pasti kasih sama kita coba coba hari revolution itu apa sih kasih hari apa katanya na bangkan baru doktor ya doktor buat orang aku ni saya sih leadership ada sih we need to have one revolution aku isu revolution apa aku itu kan Ukraine kan so it is right it is high time kalau aku nggak sih sesuatu event apa itu misalnya.
Students of DMT University have warned to carry out intense agitation if normal classes for postgraduate of DM College of Arts under the university fail to resume by June 25. Speaking to media at DM College of Arts today, a student who is currently pursuing MA second semester in political science stated that 200 PG students were enrolled in 9 departments of DM College of Arts. He said their classes are on hold as the college professors went on strike since June 15. The teachers are on strike, stating that they were recruited in the college to teach only up to graduate level. He also asked why admission process for fresh postgraduate students for this year has not been initiated till date.
Day 24 bok pi manung da lawbiyu aduga thangnaba numit tang kun ga manga June gi tarik kun ga manga sidagi akoi hana gi regular class to mu resume tawbiyu haina thamami kari kumba June gi tarik kun ga ma dagi akoi gi regular class to mu resume tawdaba taraga di PG student singsina makhal makha kya gi amtoi bu khongjin do sangsalakani haibai hom du thamjani.
Two-day training cum workshop on community mobilization for SMDC SMC Master Trainer kick-off at Technopole Resource Center in Technopole District Headquarters today. Vice Chairman of the Autonomous District Council, Chandil S. Tongpao Mate, Deputy Commissioner Technopole, H. Rupachandra, Chief of Technopole Village and Zonal Education Officer Technopole also attended the event held organized by Zonal Education Technopole. Speaking in the event, S. Tongpao Mate stated that efforts are owned by the government to enhance education and other sectors of Chandil and Technopole districts. He also said that teachers and relevant officials are also striving towards the same. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inspecting cleansing works of the Nambull River. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Primetime English News. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren inspected the ongoing works at the Nambull River under Project Rejuvenation and Conservation of Nambull River at Imphal in Manipur today. The Chief Minister also instructed to ban in disposal of sanitary outlets directly into the Nambull River and other rivers passing through the Imphal city. Biren further ordered the relevant authorities to initiate construction of urban low-cost sanitary toilets under the Mahut for people residing on the banks of the rivers. CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam, Agriculture Minister V. Hankalian, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, MLA KSH Biren, Chief Secretary Suresh Babu, Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhel Aptar, DGP LM Kaute, and officials of the Mahut Environment and IMC accompanied the Chief Minister during the inspection at Maharani Bridge, Kaisamthong, and Ngakrabam Bridge of Khagempally Panta. Biren expressed outrage over the relevant officials upon seeing toilet outlets being disposed of directly into the river. He instructed the officials to pull back the outlets after 15 to 20 days of advance notification.
Toilet direct thada bajing dudi kuda thingalune notice piraga numitra wani kunni matam piyo river da kano direct mogi latin mayam do sidai da direct thada di aro sigi mayam se loine notice toro nambul amadi night reverse bank kita leibusing na ne direct mogi yum digi latrine kari direct puri da outlet thada ri se yaro roi masa gi yum septic tank thanggoda bani ase muse compulsory wo hello ba septic tank sada bajing du kana process or thada sabang am da bajing du nai koina urban gi Mahut ki makha da kari scheme da to bi bai scheme jo leidna local searching do adu maru ina just let us give priority to the river bank habitat.
Speaking on the sidelines, Chief Minister N. Biren stated that the state government relentlessly pressurized the centre to sanction 97 crore rupees worth Nambul rejuvenation scheme to save and preserve the Nambul River. He said that in the first phase of the scheme, Nambul River will be dredged and floating waste will be collected using nets, while in the second phase, pipelines will be set up to collect dirty water seeping from the riverbanks from Irisemba till Mongsangai, which will be further treated at the proposed treatment plant in Mongsangai before letting it into the Lotak Lake. The Chief Minister further disclosed that the state government has already sent a project proposal worth 800 crore rupees to the centre to rejuvenate and preserve other rivers of the state like the Imphal River, Kongba, Irild and the Thobalt rivers. The Chief Minister was optimistic that the project will be approved by the centre. Biren appealed to the public to cooperate IMC in their waste disposal initiatives and not to throw garbage in the Nambul River.
Mamangi sahi amma adai degi tanarpa project ni sigi project se phigi Nambul rejuvenation scheme ni masi huji center degi 97 crore sanction tawra kare launch tawra adugi part ni khoina thaba huji horoi se sigi Nambul special project si masi gi sina khoi a iroi semba degi torkanda nakan da sigi turien sigi nakan da pipe tinga kani khoi pipe siding da lekai degi tholoi ba storage gi aduguma phattaba kano sing se pipe sida tahalani ba Durin da haloeba aduga pipe si ada moksangai da madai da treatment plan ama khoi sagadori madugi treatment plan du da tawruba matung da pure water oina lokta ka ta gina bagi madugi scheme duni is a fast phase ni Nambul gi se aduna mayam da so ina appeal tawjining ba se people sing da hoi na ngai langthokpam khotangpam leite budagi tawne hujikti yum da garbage collection su laani aduga yaraga di kondhong da kari da plastic da phajana khawam da hapa ka thamaga Turian da kari da lambi da langthokta bidako Madumai Tobio and I Manipuri river sighted our presence in the Maru and I appeal.
Meanwhile, people expressed happiness at the government's initiative to conserve and preserve the Nambul River. They appeal to continue the dredging until the river is properly cleaned up.
Sarkar jinako makapoli. Sarkar ki makapoli habati keno havada. Machi sing machi sigi hauki bagi mamang da chukya mohana singre. Aduangpo mapung phana tawbide adu handak tawrai sidi moina kaireba pesadu gi matungina pura oina tawbiraga di leba ke oina yamna phane na khanje masi responsibility sarkar ngakta gasu thadokpa yade praja khoina su masi khara yengsan machangi praja khoina yamna angada amana plastic bottle season naraga turian da lang thabase masim tang public mayam khoina tobidra di yamna phane na khali
nate akhoi public ki su yam thina responsibility lei drain da kai da panghun na hunjan ba poche amora kai ka sigum ma jesu phate adai akhoi dustbin system je hojipudi khara budi advance oi re ko mamangam da di season aram da banina asigum ba dustbin ke ka je phajana system je mafam khatang thambana taba Fazalzana mapam sana everywhere that thamba mapam khara khatang da utpa khatang thamba na tabi da thamdar ga di ko phane na khale hoi khatang budi dum nungai hai tamni hana ga di khenaram na doi taraga ju wadi wale to haning babu ai khatang to haning mano be de mayam pulaga akhoi mayam ni yum de gi haura kan da dang phagadra na khale nate public ki su de mam di pochai hunda ba khota ba to bose kamai ni turenda asina maram muraga block to shan manina mayam public mayam su gyan ta ba darkar oi ni je
MLA Kurai El Susindro has reiterated that rice quotas for Beneficiaries of Kurai constituency under National Food Security Act NSFA were misappropriated. He demanded the relevant authority to conduct a sport inquiry instead of mere proclamation that there is record of withdrawal of the rice quotas. Speaking to media at his residence on Kurai Tinsit Road today, MLA Susindro stated that following a written complaint lodged at SP Imphal East on March 2 this year against non-provision of 7-month quota of rice for beneficiaries under NFSA of Kurai constituency, rice quota for 1 month was supplied. MLA Susindro also urged political parties of the state not to try to disrupt relations within the BJP government.
Transport conductor se kanana khanbano MLA na khanbra transport conductor sina poraga chieng si yen gaduri ni se masana khangdana lerawani transport conductor dinu chieng do poroktra kamai chieng phangdoino pulona matam do phangam do je tha tare ni marsi tang ani da complaint tau hiu matam da tha tare phangdo po se tha ma khoi de pihal laga hujik total balance le se tha taruk ne ba transport conductor.
Following complaints of alleged misappropriation of rice quotas under NFSA, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam has ordered to form an inquiry committee to probe into the issue and to submit a report within 15 days. The minister has also assured to take necessary actions as per the report. Minister Karam Shyam affirmed the same in the inauguration of the 63rd branch of Bank of Baroda, Johat region at the campus of Sangai Pro FCS Godown today. The newly opened Bank of Baroda branch is the 16th branch in Manipur. Speaking further, Karam Shyam stated that works of the government should be executed as per respective policies. Stating that there is no need to carry out blame games among ministers and MLAs, Minister Karam Shyam maintained that outcome of works should be responsive itself. He also stated that mushrooming of banks in the state is a sign of heading towards development. He encouraged everyone to cultivate the habit of saving money in banks. The minister also stressed the need to raise awareness on various benefits provided to bank account holders.
Government as a policy that satkadavane, akoi inquiry committee ma same gane haibadu same aduna 15 days ki manungda report pikhalau. Maduda any responsible person do adum fix tawgani aduna thabanga adum ulakani.
Kurai MLA L. Susindro urged Water Resources Department to stop working at whims. He stated the same in discontentment while inspecting the ongoing works of Premi Kong at Porompat today. Alleging that the Water Resources Department failed to work efficiently for public welfare, MLA El Susindro asserted that the department was instituted for the public and not to benefit few contractors. He strongly condemned that despite repeated pleas to dredge Premi Kong properly to prevent overflowing of the canal during rainy season, authorities concerned have failed to pay any heed. He claimed that the ongoing works by the department is improper and definitely not in line with the request of the locals. MLA El Susindro expressed that great disappointment with the department and stated that locals have started dredging the canal themselves since yesterday. The MLA also expressed disappointment that repair of the banks of the Imphal River passing through Pangai in Kurai constituency by the department is still at distance. He said that local residents have started building the retaining walls of the river banks by utilizing MLA Local Area Development Fund.
Akoi Kurai gi praja ichinau sing punamaka ngarang dagi hawrkanda akoi sim mati am kotokpa hore aduna nasi ising khara chen bane aduna hayang chitei di akoi punna excavator tawraga jix dei zamana tawriba construction jingja akoi pulap totally akoi loina mu remove tawrani haibje masi ma haninge na sumba minna uba mafam se sumba de inquiry tawbiyo ba si akoi khitang kha akoi nungai ge na nungai jane ba maramde minna u leirabne ba si tawriba thabak se minna u leirni si praja sing da kana handra project ne ba.
Meanwhile, the IFCD Minister led by Hawkip has stated that necessary steps will be taken against those engineers who failed to execute repair of Premi Kong as per the DPR. Responding to allegations made by Kurai MLA regarding improper repair of Premi Kong, Minister Ledpao stated that engineers of the other departments may inspect the work quality. He also assured that a team of the IFCD led by IFCD Additional Chief Engineer will inspect the repair of Premi Kong within a week.
Magi design depth, freeboard, scope, mayam am le ai mathang puthok chabasina si lebak miyam na natraga ai gi engineer na taba ai kan khat panate ai engineer gi site te gi su asoi bale ramaga di chapchaba ain gi lokham thokpa lokalakpa adum lokhat kini aina kan khat pai wafam nate aduna moi gi site te gi su asoi bale di I won't spare anyone but masigi DPR gi matung in na thabak tawramba taragadi lebak na su yengbiu miyam na
Paddy seeds Faudi IR64 and RCM sanctioned by the Agriculture Department were distributed to 100 farmers of Kumbi Kendra Progressive Farmers Association today under the instruction of Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren. The distribution event was held at Wangu Nongdakhong. Manipur also joined the rest of the world in observing World Music Day today. Many eminent musicians of the state attended the event organized by All Manipur Music Association at Manipur Dramatic Union, MDU Hall in Yaskul Police Land. Speaking in the event, Director of Social Welfare and Minority Affairs, Ngangom Utam asserted that music is a universal language. He stressed on the need to give a higher platform to music, stating that a true artist appreciates another artist with no room for jealousy. Ngangom Utam strongly condemned the existing disunity among artists and genres in the state. President of the All Manipur Music Association, KSH Jugindro, former president of AMJU, Wangkemsa Samjai, and renowned singer Naba Bolkino attended the event.
Music haibasidi masi tonganba loan naman jat bizat khaidaba loan naman India hairo India kattana khangbani music haiba loan sidi jat bizat dharma leitaba loda mani aramasi aikoina tha yamna wangna leigraba potagani miyoiba ngangna riba loan si phongdokpa ngamdaba nunggi oiba thamoi gi oiba China boiro minungsi boiro chinna phongdokpa ngamdabasi music na
Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy Imphal also observed International Music Day at the auditorium of the Academy today. Speaking in the event, Commissioner of Art and Culture M. Lakshmi Kumar, IAS, envisioned a bright future for the art and culture of Manipur. He stated that the present Union Minister for Art and Culture, Prahlad Singh Patil, acknowledges the culture of the state. Lakshmi Kumar expressed optimism that Centre will sanction the much-awaited project for enhancing art and culture of the state, including improvement of Jain Manipur Dance Academy and Manipur University of Culture. A book entitled Paramparadagi Lairaklaba Manipur Vaishnav Sangeet, written by late Laishram Virendra Kumar, was released on the occasion. JNMDA former Vice Chairman Professor N. Tombi introduced the book Pung Cholomt, Duhar Cholomt, Hindustani Music, Tabla and Hindustani Music Bokelt was performed in the event.
Government of India also government same aduga culture tourism and culture in kanu bahai tar masigi Minister Rodai Manipur Ibrahim Dam Khangba koi Prahlad Singh Patil si ma culture pai hai Minister Culture sina ana hara tabi dana not only this package and kai hata sing Manipur culture sapna ba Manipur singula awara pa sing main ba mana am thoi ubi ni hai basi chet pathaja bu pere dana we have a bright future.
World Music Day was also observed at the auditorium of Sri Sri Bal Mukund Dev Music College Imphal in Palace Compound today. Students of the college showcased performance on various instruments such as tabla, lahira and harmonium on the occasion. Classical vocals and folk songs were also sung to mark the day. Speaking in the event, Director of Art and Culture Department, A. Siv Das, assured that efforts will be made to release the due honorarium for teachers of Sri Sri Bal Mukund Dev Music College at the earliest. He also encouraged students to work with dedication and appealed to teachers to educate students properly.
Honorarium honorarium matangda so abai thuna ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯜꯂꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯅꯧꯅ ꯄꯣꯁ ꯍꯥꯡꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯕꯖꯦꯛꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯤꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯏꯟꯀꯔꯦꯖ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯁ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯄꯥ ꯀꯩꯀꯩ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯔꯒ ꯏꯟꯇꯔꯟ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯨꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯁꯤ.
One-day workshop on suicide prevention was held at Classic Grant in Chimerong today. National Health Mission Manipur organized the workshop under National Mental Health Program. Taking part in the event, Principal Secretary of the State Health and Family Welfare, V. Bulbul Mang, stressed the need for locals and health professionals to join efforts to prevent incidents of suicide in the state. Additional DDG, Directorate of General of Health Services, Government of India, Alok Mathur, and founder of Sneha Foundation, Chennai, Lakshmi Vijayakumar, gave resourceful insights on how to prevent suicide in the workshop.
Suicide prevention is an umbrella term. It involves the collective efforts. So this is the point where we want all the different participants to be involved. It's a collective effort of local citizen organizations, of health professionals, the psychiatrists and the various health practitioners will be required. So the health professionals and of related professionals to reduce the incidence of suicide. So whether it is the educationist, whether it is the provider of nutrition or the child care, so everyone has to come together, and it is something which only as a multi-sectoral approach.
MS Hayengidamak's home delivery service for food items named Kuhau City, Kuhong City, Cheap and Best was opened at Pisum Oinam Laikai, Lairambi today. Former Minister Dr. M. Nara, UCM Founder President Sapamja Jadumani, and VC of Federation of Haumi Simbre attended the event. Proprietor of Kuhau City, Kuhong City, Cheap and Best, Sapam Kanta stated that the home delivery service was opened on public demand. Thoubal District Police team seized huge quantity of foreign and country liquors worth around 2 lakh rupees from 3 miscreants during a drive at Thoubal Bazaar yesterday. The team, including SP Thoubal District Police Dr. S. Ibomcha and additional SP Operation S. Sachinanda, carried out the drive from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. The miscreants are identified as 58 years old Soibam Ibotomba alias Bokajan, son of S. Ibomcha, 55 years old Soibam Ranjan, son of Let S. Ibomcha, and 51 years old Soibam Sachi, son of Let S. Samu, all from Thoubal Bazaar. 63 liters of country liquor and over 1,000 bottles of foreign liquors and 840 beer bottles were confiscated during the drive. Impact TV regrets inconvenience caused to our customers due to technical problems of Impact TV MCBS setup box. Management team of Impact TV is putting all-out efforts to resolve the issue at the earliest. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi leads nation in holding 5th International Yoga Day celebration from Ranchi in Jharkhand. Manipur joins rest of the world in holding 5th International Yoga Day 2019 celebration on Yoga for Heart theme. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren declares clearance of overdraft crisis, says state account is at zero balance since this morning. Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren inspects works under Project Rejuvenation and Conservation of Nambull River at Imphal in Manipur. Kurai MLA L. Susindro reiterates PDS items under National Food Security Act were misappropriated, demands relevant authority to conduct a sport inquiry. And Minister Karam Shyam says no need for blame games. Inquiry committee will submit report on alleged misappropriation of PDS items under NFSA in 15 days.